Yes, you know it. It is time. Time to upgrade the MinE-Moto. I'm standing next to the Razor RSF 650. You can get these for $600 from Amazon or Walmart. And I'm standing next to a full 72 volt powertrain upgrade plug and play for this bike.
Let me see you do your video, bro.
No, fuck you. This is like my biggest video ever. I'm really taking this serious.
Oh, really?
Yeah, go away.
God damn. I can't even stand here.
Bro, I literally cut your ass. Go away. It goes about 15 miles an hour out of the box, but with these upgrades I'm standing next to, we're looking at like 45 miles an hour with crazy torque. You already know this is going to be a great stunt bike. So without further ado, I'm just going to take apart the entire bike and replace basically every part that isn't the frame and wheels. So let's get it going.
You read that right. I'm throwing Tesla batteries in the MinE-Moto. Come on!
I think sometimes these just get fused, so good thing I'm upgrading the whole power system. Screw.
It looks kind of nice, like, just the interior.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Thank you. It does look cool with just the trellis, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, the fairings of the MinE-Moto are fully stripped. It wasn't too complicated. There's like 8 screws you got to take out and then feed the wires through. Next step, remove the controller, battery, and motor. Oh shit. Cable going from the motor to the plug goes through this metal ring that you can't take anything out of, so I kind of have to cut the motor. Just to compare batteries, motors, controllers. These are stock, obviously. Also got the key ignition and the full twist throttle. So stoked. Motor successfully installed, looking like a beast. I'm keeping the stock sprocket, apparently that's better for wheelies. I'm literally doing this with no instructions. I feel like a god. No, his name's...
Then you could have done a dual chain system.
Moment of truth, let's see if it spins. It's supposed to like jerk a couple times and calibrate it. Let's see. Should I hit the throttle?
Yeah, got to.
Should I?
Yeah.
Maybe let me turn it on and off again. Oh my god, hold up. Whoa! Oh my god, this is insane. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, that was actually very straightforward. It takes a little bit of time. No technical expertise whatsoever. You literally plug stuff in, screw some bolts, and it's looking like it's ready to go. Let's see. Can't wait to take it out, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's see how it rides. So there's still a couple, like I still need to put the plastics on and everything, but everything that needs to be tight is tight. Everything else is aesthetic. I really just want to take it out and see how it performs. Let's see. Oh. Yes! Let's go! Yeah! I don't know this guy, but I'm riding. Woo! This thing holds! So, do you want to start on the Ron or the MinE-Moto? I kind of want to ride the MinE-Moto. Yeah, alright, that's all you can walk it out. Yeah. Yeah! Okay. Let's go. 72 volt Sur Ron and the 72 volt MinE-Moto. Yeah! Why, they feel too small?
No, they feel too smooth.
Too smooth. That's the best complaint of all time. Let's see it. Hit the throttle. Oh. Yeah, let's see it. Oh my god, the MinE-Moto totally keeps up with the 72 volt Sur Ron. Let's go! Yeah! Alright, really quick, I got the homie Ben here on his Segway X160. He's got it turned all the way up to the max power. Got the MinE-Moto here. I'm going to put it in its max power as well. We're going to run a really quick drag race. Let's get. Let's line up. Ready? I got to go in my top power. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. E-gang, E-gang. Oh my god, this thing wheelies so well. No way, are you kidding me? I kept that one up. Oh my god, this is such a good stunt bike. Such a good bike to learn on. You're like a foot off the ground if you fall. And the battery life is insane. I charged this when I first set it up. It's like a week later, and I haven't needed to recharge it, and I've ridden it every day. Oh my god, I'm already doing one-handers. It's over. I'm gonna stunt the hell out of this when I get used to it. This thing wheelies so well! It's better than the fucking Sur Ron!
She get wicked. Like what you saying? Wrong. She get wicked. I heard they catching bodies who might be like, what you saying? On straight about the streets and them projects like who you playing? I feel like with my nigga that say about what we had, ain't gonna take none of your charge.
Oh shit!
Thank you, man.
This thing's fucking fun!
Alright, before I cut out this video, I want to thank Electro Company for making this whole upgrade kit. You can use my discount code below for anything on their website. They upgrade razors as well as pit bikes, and they do everything. We're gonna have a Ronster RSF kit that's exactly like this one with a couple more upgrades, a couple more bells and whistles. It's gonna be about the same performance as a Sur Ron, but for about half the price. So stay tuned for that. But if you can't wait, go ahead and use my code for some of their other stuff in the meantime. And as always, stay tuned!
Yeah.